Uh-oh. Better keep a lookout for this treacherous and truculent, tricky troublemaker. This is Extra T, a professional alien saboteur who could trounce your score. But don't let him.
Yes. Well, get you on the flip-flop. This here's a rubber duck on the side, southbound and down. We go.
Like trees
Bye-bye.
and honeybees.
Mystery and suspense for Christmas on BBC One. Tomorrow at 9:25, a winter storm forces a traveller to abandon his journey. But the brightly lit house and the welcoming inhabitants
and the stars
are
are shining
a deadly game.
bright.
We were so hoping you
Now
feel that
it's
way.
time to rest.
Why don't you play with us?
It's sleepy time.
It's all your fun now. No, I'd rather just sit here and watch you play. I doubt that, Mr. Trent. If I read your character correctly, you're not the
It's
spectator
almost
type.
time for
No.
bed.
You wouldn't be
Time for
content
a
unless you
story,
were a player
time to
right
rest
there in the
my
middle of the
head.
action. But I'm not a lawyer.
Almost
I don't
time
have
to
any legal
close my
experience or anything.
eyes.
But still no.
Ah,
The whole thing would be ruined
sleepy
without
time.
you. We'd be so grateful to you, Mr.
Now
Ramsey.
I'm
Challenging though it
all
is, of course, to recreate the
Ready
famous
to
files of
dream of all
history. It's
my
even more of a
friends.
challenge when we have live material to work with.
The Deadly Game, a thriller for Christmas. Tomorrow at 9:25 on
It's
BBC
sleepy
One.
time.
And a game of a slightly different sort is just beginning on BBC Two. It's Roman Polanski's madcap horror spoof, Dance of the Vampires. And on BBC One in 40 minutes, a chance to see Status Quo performing at their 20th anniversary concert. That's after Films of the Year with Ian Johnston.
Den här filmen är lämplig för barn i vuxet sällskap.
Welcome to Film 82's roundup of the year in the cinema. I suppose I must have been to more than 100 films in the past 12 months, primarily to review them for radio or television. And the effect of such a density of cinema going, I've never been to quite so many before, is to...
Uh-oh. Better keep a lookout for this treacherous and truculent, tricky troublemaker. This is Extra T, a professional alien saboteur who could trounce your score. But don't let him.